Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya Kavre. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals and other species telepathically. In this video, I want to share with you another story of a cat who had left home, which in normal terms is a lost cat or a missing cat. Now before I share this story with you, I want to give a small disclaimer. As animal communicators, we don't track, find or locate lost animals. As communicators, we only speak to them, convey their messages to the human and convey the messages of the human to the animal. In this role of us being a mediator and a hollow bone or a conduit, as many would say, there are certain things that the animals share that may help the human in finding the animal. However, it is not the job of a communicator to find the animal. That entire process of finding or reuniting the animal with the human completely relies upon the willingness of the human and the free will of the animal and their work or their willingness of reuniting. The human from their end will have to do everything that requires to be done to find a lost animal. We can mediate between them and put in an effort to find a middle ground for them to be able to meet in case both of them are willing to do so. So having said that and putting that aside, let me share with you an interesting and a sweet story about this cat who went missing from her home. Now she was an indoor cat. The maximum she used to go outdoors is the family used to live on the ground floor, so she used to go out, play in the compound and return home. So she's not really gone out ever. And this cat suddenly went missing for 3 days and the human got very worried and she reached out to me. When I spoke to this cat, the cat said that I'm at a temple my human visits regularly, and this is because this was during the lockdown period and I can sense the frustration and the irritation with the humans. So to shift the energy in the house and to make sure that the humans stop stressing so much about being at home, she has left home to have a change in energy and she's gone to a space which usually brings a lot of peace to the human. When I told this to the human, she found it a little difficult to believe because the temple was about 2.5 kilometers away and she couldn't believe her cat could actually trace that temple because the cat's never been there before. I told her, well, your cat specifically mentioned it's the temple you visit, so I would highly recommend you go check there. If not, please check temples nearby. The human did go to check at that temple and guess what? The cat was found there. She had made friends with the cats and the dogs there and she was also begging for the prasad from the humans around. The human took the cat, brought her home and she got in touch with me and told me, hey, you know what, I found the cat at the temple and I can't believe she was begging there. It just made me feel so bad. It was as if I don't give her food enough at home. However, there too, there was a message that the cat that wanted to convey that it's important for the humans to deal with things that they are going through during the lockdown, and it is because that space brought a lot of peace to the human. She had decided to go there, and in that going, she also made sure the human visits that space, feels better and also adds a little bit of fun and laughter to the human's life. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and realized how animals work thoroughly to make our lives better in everything that they do. Until the next one, bye-bye.